Let me show you how to create a PowerPoint as an image file. Now, I am in Keynote, but it works the same way. You're going to create a blank slide, you're going to add your text, which would be your word problem or your do now, and you will put it up at the top of the screen so it'll have plenty of room for students to draw on. Then you're going to export or save as an image file, a JPEG, whatever. I like to save it to my desktop so that I can find it in the next step. Now let me show you how to take that word problem and put it in Shobi. You'll sign in, you're going to create an assignment, and you'll just title it word problem or whatever you want to call it, and then you're going to click on that assignment, go to shared folder, add file, and then you'll find that word problem on your desktop. That's why I saved it there. Now let me show you how to go into Shobi as a student, and they will get out their word problem so they can put it in EduCreations. They'll go to their assignment, find word problem, click on their name. In this particular case, I'm just going to click on shared folder, it doesn't matter. I'm going to click on that, it will upload it into Shobi. So there it is. Now the students can write on that, but if you want to put it in EduCreations, you're going to click on the arrow at the top and click on Save Image and be sure that you say OK to accessing the photos. Now this step you don't have to do, but I just want you to see that now this word problem is in your photo library, or what I call the camera roll, so that students would have access to it. Now let's go into EduCreations and we're going to pull up the word problem, and I'm going to show you just different features of EduCreations first. You've got your pen feature, which allows you to write. Your eraser, of course, allows you to erase content. Over on the plus sign, you just click on that and you can add text. You just tap on the screen and your keyboard will pop up and you can type whatever you want. Then you just click on it to delete it. You've got all these options below. Click on the plus sign again. The one that looks like a mountain will allow you to add anything from your camera roll, which in this case is our word problem. And I like to lock it in place so that students won't move it around. We also have the option of taking a picture if we want to. We always say OK to allowing the camera. And you can take a picture and you can use it in your EduCreations and size it however you want. And then of course, in order to delete the picture, you just click on it and you can delete it or do whatever those options that you want. The things down here you have to pay for, so I'm not going to talk much about that. So now that I'm ready, I've got my record button and I'm going to record. In order to save the video, you're just going to click on the arrow in the corner and click Save Video, and you'll add a title. And you don't have to add a description. I always just publish it, and you don't have to add anything at the bottom. You just click Save. You'll go to your saved videos, and in the corner you'll see the little arrow that points with the arrow pointing up. You're going to copy that link, and that link will allow you to save to Shobi. Now that we've copied the link of our EduCreations video, let's go back to Shobi, and when you open it up, you'll just go to wherever the assignment is. The student will find their name, they're going to click on the assignment, and they'll click on the plus sign, and there's a place where it says comments. All you're going to do is hold your finger down till you see the magnifying glass and hit paste, and then you'll just click and the URL will be right there so the teacher will have access to it. And if you click on it, it'll just say to tap to get to EduCreations, and it will open automatically.